Welcome back everybody to a job I love doing. Doesn't feel like a job until I hit the record button. Actually preparing and editing I don't really like, but this part I think it's clear that I enjoy. So then, looking at the stable markets once more. How you bore me. However, Bitcoin did decide to do something exciting. It said to itself, I wonder what being $100 less would be like. To only quickly get cold feet and stop at around 3865. So really good support level shown then, in the extreme short term at least. Looking long term, we're going to go back to this line, the 200-week moving average. Bitcoin's bounced off of it more than once. It is now currently priced at around $3,400. And midterm, let's look into that too, because we're all about the comprehensive nature. Stop that. All about the comprehensive nature of our research. Why do I say our? I'm a totally one-man show. Hello, darkness, my old friend. But what's this? The 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average is about to converge in a cross-like pattern. Now, do you know what this means? Whenever this happens, the lines, they converge, but they summon the great spirit of the bull. So probably nothing's gonna happen, but it's just one more indicator. This is my mouse. One more indicator in a growing pile of indicators, positive ones for Bitcoin. My man Godball also believes so too, with several key indicators like the weekly moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, and the money flow index flashing early signs of bullish reversal. The probability of the cross trapping the bulls on the wrong side of the market seems low. But what else is going on with the market for those who aren't interested in the world's oldest cryptocurrency? Yeah, okay, there's two others that predated it, but they're irrelevant. Looking at a $15 BNB, it has shown strong support ever since breaching around $13.80, about $14. That was broken more than a week ago, and it's been consolidating between that figure and $15. Well, around $15.50, let's say. A retrace should theoretically be on the tables to at least $13, if not more, but there's almost no telling with this coin, especially if the rest of crypto goes up. And Cardano, you may have heard of this coin, almost at 5 cents. So when was the last time Cardano was at 5 cents? Well, it's interesting. It's always struggled to maintain that for a little while. The last time we approached 5 cents was February 24th of this year. That was strongly rejected. Now, going back even further, the last time we tried 5.5 cents back in January 10th. But again, this was a very short period when it was able to maintain that price. It was not sustained. Anytime that Cardano was able to sustain a price of above 5 cents, you'd have to go back to the point where Bitcoin was over 6K still. This gets heavy sometimes. I feel like I'm lifting weights. Does my voice sound different going like this? Probably. So why is it on its way to 5 cents this time? Well, we talked about this before, but staking is upcoming. Yay! At some point. So maybe with the implementation of staking, people will be incentivized to hold on to their Cardano. Maybe not sell it. Maybe pick up some more. So maybe it could stay on to 5 cents. I'm not sure. To be honest, usually when it comes to tech developments with crypto coins, it will have a rally in anticipation of, and once it's released, it will dump. Best examples of this are mainnet releases. So many examples of poor price action for mainnet releases. However, I don't know if staking is the same. I honestly have very little experience with this. It seems to me to be a very rare occurrence that a coin this late into development would then switch to proof of stake. So can't say I have much experience. Let us know down in the comments below if you do. Also, while you're down there, stop bugging me about ADA. I feel like I have this identical army after me.
It is inevitable.
Yes, I have a stack, but there's no point chilling it. Not to mention, because a video from me wouldn't... Oh, I didn't know it did that. A video from me would not move the price of Cardano 1 cent. I'm sorry to break it to you, it wouldn't. But especially to attempt to shill it to people who seem to be majority bag holders themselves already. Move along.
Now there's more than one of them.
A lot more.
I'm kidding, I love you guys. Cardano Dailies will be here for you. On to the news. Newsflash. The SEC chief confirms analysis that Ethereum isn't a security. I didn't know that they could reverse their decision on this. So, thank you. More importantly, there is a new movie coming out in selected cinemas only. It's called Crypto. Let's watch it.
You gotta help? If I can.
Wow, looks amazing. The link for it is on YouTube. You can go search for it. I think the comment section might be the most interesting thing about this trailer, though. Coming soon from old people comes a movie about a thing the kids are into, but spooky. Yes, it's here. The dumbest film ever made about something that the writers don't understand. If you don't watch the trailer, it's basically a movie I should have starred in, because, obviously. And about crypto's least common use case, money laundering. So no, I don't think that this is going to pump our bags of corn. Very eloquently spoken, King Nick. Now, this next piece of news was all over crypto Twitter yesterday. It's so important. I actually forgot to include it in yesterday's video, even though I did mean to. Proof that Craig Wright is indeed the real Satoshi Nakamoto. Whoa, am I gonna have to eat my words here? Error. Proof not found. Oh. This was on Our Cryptocurrency Today. I thought it was pretty interesting. Putting the bear market into perspective, if you invested $100 into any of these top 15 coins at the moment of their first exchange listing, your return on investment is listed. Bitcoin's over $1 million. Okay, fair enough. Ethereum also dash BNB is very, very high. Even ADA, which is lowest on the list, would have seen more than a double return on investment. BCH looks terrible with a loss of like 76%. But I think keeping in mind the fact that it was actually free to begin with is something to be considered. But the implications of this diagram are more interesting. For some people, Bitcoin or crypto has already reached the moon a really long time ago, even at today's prices. So what should you do with that information? I don't know. Get really upset about it, I guess. Or find an undiscovered gem, or, you know, just wait, I guess. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Something very interesting happened in yesterday's video where there was a freeze frame from the beginning. It was Brad Pitt from Fight Club, and it would have been really cool if I'd have done that, because that's what happened in Fight Club, but I can't take credit for it. That wasn't intentional, and in fact it happened to another YouTuber today. So if that happens in this video, it wasn't intentional. I think something's going on with YouTube. Okay, so the usual spiel that I say at the end of a video.